Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how a DNA binding protein called hypoxia-inducible factor works as a software in the cell from a computer's perspective. Imagine that a cell is like a computer system, and it needs to constantly get energies and information from the outside to perform various tasks. But what if there is not enough oxygen, like in high altitude or in a tumor? How can the cell survive and function in such a harsh environment? This is where hypoxia-inducible factors comes in. Hypoxia-inducible factors, short for HIF, can change the way cells operate when they don't have enough oxygen. HIF can be considered as a software that consists of two parts, called HIF-1 alpha and HIF-1 beta. HIF-1 beta is a permanent program that is always running in the cell, but it doesn't do much. HIF-1 alpha is a temporary program that is only activated when there is low oxygen, and it binds to HIF-1 beta to form HIF. The hypoxia-inducible factor complex, which is the combinations of hypoxia-inducible factors 1 alpha and hypoxia-inducible factors 1 beta, can read and recognize some specific codes on the DNA, called hypoxia response elements, short for HREs, and then form a starter with some other protein programs. This starter can turn on or off the nearby programs, which are genes, and regulate their expression. The programs activated by HIF mainly have different functions, like promoting blood vessel formation, promoting anaerobic respirations, and so on. The cell adopts this strategy to cope with low oxygen conditions. But how does hypoxia-inducible factor 1 alpha know when to activate or deactivate? Hypoxia-inducible factor 1 alpha has a special region called ODD that controls its state. ODD has two bottoms called port lanes. They are pressed or popped out by oxygen. When oxygen is enough, the bottoms are pressed, and HIF-1 alpha is marked by ubiquitin ligase and removed by proteasome. This way, HIF-1 alpha does not make HIF with 1 beta. When oxygen is low, the bottoms pop up, and HIF-1 alpha is not marked or removed, and therefore make HIF with 1 beta. So this is a computer system perspective to understand how hypoxia-inducible factors works to help cells adapt to low oxygen conditions. Thank you for your attention.